Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get red blocks in Block Blast. While red blocks appear randomly, mastering their removal is key to high scores. We'll cover how to spot prime opportunities and clear them effectively. This guide will help you improve your overall game strategy and achieve better results, making your gameplay more rewarding and fun. To maximize your score with red blocks, focus on forming large clusters. Don't rush to clear small groups. Instead, try to position other blocks to create bigger red formations. Clearing blocks from the bottom of the grid can also help new red blocks cascade down, potentially forming new matches. Strategic planning is crucial for success in Block Blast. Special blocks are your best friends for clearing many red blocks at once. Matching 4 red blocks in a line can create a rocket, while 5 in an L or T shape might give you a bomb. Even better, combine 2 special blocks for a massive clear. Strategically saving these power-ups for when you have a large concentration of red blocks can significantly boost your score. To truly optimize your red block strategy, always maintain a balanced board, ensuring no single color, including red, becomes isolated. Adapt your approach to each level's unique objectives, whether it's clearing a certain number of blocks or reaching a target score. Remember to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Staying calm and patient will also help you make the best decisions for clearing those red blocks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.